Xumo has evolved into a streaming app. Connect your remote by pairing with your Hisense TV or using the Xumo app. There are two main types of remotes, Bluetooth and IR. Bluetooth is simpler for newer TVs. For Bluetooth pairing, power on your TV and connect to internet. Download the Xumo app and sign in. Go to Settings, then Remotes and Accessories, and select Pair New Device. Press and hold the pairing button on your remote. Follow the on-screen prompts. If you have an older Hisense TV or an IR remote, you'll need setup codes. Check your Xumo remote manual or the Hisense support website for the correct code. Press Setup or Code Search on your remote, then enter the code. Common codes for Hisense include 0178 0009 060 0145 or 0227. Having trouble? Here are some common issues and fixes. First, make sure your remote has fresh batteries. For IR remotes, ensure there's a clear line of sight between the remote and the TV's IR sensor. If Bluetooth pairing fails, try restarting both your TV and the remote. Remove the batteries from the remote for 30 seconds, then reinsert them. Another helpful tip: use the Xumo app as a remote. The app can directly control your TV. If you still face issues, check Hisense's support forums or Xumo's help center for specific troubleshooting steps. Also, ensure your Hisense TV has the latest firmware. Firmware updates often improve compatibility with universal remotes. A case study showed a user with a Hisense A6G Series 2023 successfully paired a Xumo remote using code 0178 via Bluetooth. Remember, compatibility can vary depending on the TV model and age. If all else fails, consider a universal remote designed specifically for Hisense TVs. These remotes are often pre-programmed with the correct codes and settings.